Good morning, my name is Hua. Happy holidays!
And Happy New Year!
On 6 days the winter break, so ready to get work done on time. Once you come back on January 5th, you should have video homework done by January 16th of 2015 because it's almost the end of the semester. As you guys may know, you guys got your report cards in mail on December 15th. Hope you get some good grades. And here's Taylor with sports.
Hi, I'm Taylor. As you may already know, Washington has many sports to choose from like football, volleyball, track and field, swimming, soccer, or basketball. Some have already started and some will be starting in the spring. You need to have your physical card turned into your coach before you can be in a sport. A physical card lasts up to 3 years, so if you are in 7th grade, it will last you until 9th grade. Have fun!
My name is Elf Taylor 2, and here is Mrs. Stubbe. What is FBLA about?
FBLA is a student organization. There's a high school chapter, a middle level chapter, a professional level, and also a college chapter. FBLA is present in all 50 states as well as in Puerto Rico, Guam, and some other countries, and in the military bases across in Europe.
What does FBLA do for our school?
FBLA can benefit a school in many ways. The students get to decide, the members get to decide what to do on the local level. So they can have dances, they can promote school spirit, they can do fundraising, they can do activities in the classroom. So it's all based on what the students of the school feel that Washington Junior High, for example, might want.
What kind of activity do we do for FBLA?
There are some national activities for FBLA. March of Dimes fundraiser is a large portion of it. The students raise money for March of Dimes, which helps for premature babies. We also do community service projects. It's very important that our members connect with our business world out there and also with the community. So we do community service projects. We also do competition, which is a huge portion. We have a regional competition, which in the middle level is held at Madison. If they progress, they go to state, which this year is held in La Crosse, but can also be at Wisconsin Dells and Appleton. And if they progress beyond that, they go to the national competition, which moves across the country. This year it's in Chicago. Last summer we went to Nashville, Tennessee. We've been to Anaheim, California, Denver, Colorado, Texas. We've been all over. It's a great opportunity for students to work on their leadership skills and meet and network with those around the world.
Thank you, Mrs. Stubbe, for your time. Now I'll go on for words of wisdom.
Hello, my name is Alpha White. Purple Wolf Quarters Mother Night. They are what we intend to be, so many people are what we intend to be. Does that mean you? Learning from Addis never been anywhere, but it doesn't show who you are. Now back to Hawaii State.
Welcome back, Washington. I see you ran our elves. Well, here's the fact of the day. According to Irish legends, Saint Nick was buried in Ireland. The grave was said to be ruined in the church of St. Nick, 0 Point. So the ghost of Santa gives us presents. Washington.
Happy holidays!
Hope you see you next year.
It's not break yet.